and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I get unready. As you can see, I've already jumped into my pajamas and I'm super ready to take all this makeup off. I'll simply show you how I used to take off my makeup before going to bed, which is super important. I mean, I'm always saying to my girlfriends and like my followers, every time they're asking me about makeup advices, I tell them, if you don't take your night routine as important as your makeup, please stop doing makeup, because you really have to take care of your skin twice as much as the makeup that you put in your face, because everyone can look good with makeup, but without makeup you have to look still very fresh. And to be able to look fresh without makeup, you need to take care of your skin and make sure that you never go to bed with makeup on your skin. That's so important. Let's just jump into this and get started. So the first step that I'm taking is actually to remove my hair. That's very important. I don't want any hairs on my face while I'm washing my face. Okay guys, so that was my how to get unready with. And to be honest with you, I don't like to use all these products every single night. One, because I don't have time. Two, usually I'm super tired when I'm removing my makeup. But at least once or twice a week I like to use at least, you know, a scrub, or maybe this dude, you know, or some extra mask to get rid of the dead skin and all that. But that's only once or twice a week. So yeah, that was simply my night routine. I hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and let me know what kind of videos you want me to do more of, because I've not been so active lately, to be honest, on this channel. But I promise you, I will try to do English tutorials from now on this channel. So please give me ideas of what kind of tutorials or videos you want me to do, and I will make sure I update this channel as much as my other channels. So yeah, thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to my channel, and let me know here what you think of this video and what kind of video you want me to do more of in the future. So yeah, take care of your skin, and I love you all so much, and bye bye.